Meaning of holiness.
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 Holiness. Holiness is a term used to describe the state of being pure, sacred, and morally perfect. It implies being set apart from worldly things and dedicated to a higher power or purpose. Those who pursue holiness strive for a life that is pleasing to God or adheres to their religious beliefs. Through prayer, meditation, and good deeds, they seek to attain a sense of spiritual purity and transcendence. Ultimately, holiness is a lifelong pursuit that requires constant effort, self-reflection, and humility. It can bring a sense of peace, purpose, and fulfillment to those who embrace it.